Hello, Wanda here, and I wanted to show you guys that I don't know if you know what paint skins are, but you can make paint skins out of your Whips and Liquigels. I had painted this last night and had some left over, so I spread it out on my silicone mat. These ones I was still using even after I spread it out, so they have holes in them, but you can spread it out, let it dry overnight, and then you can peel it up using the tip of something sharp. I just have a double or a straight pin here, and then peel it up gently. And you have your skin, and these you can cut and use, like decoupage. And they are very beautiful. That's the Copper Fire. This is the Pink Paradise Glitter Whip. Isn't that gorgeous? This one is the Blue Ice or Green Fire Liquid Gel Snow. This one is a Snow Liquid Gel. And then this one is Sky Blue. I just had it. Liquid Gel. And this one, oops, haven't taken that one up yet. This is Paragon Diamond. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that. So you can cut it into the shape that you need. This is fun for doing like little stained glass projects or whatever. This is the Night Shift. And this is the Crystal Glow. Oops, come back. Where'd it go? That was really thin. But, so, say you were doing a project on a wood kitchen, whatever, like this, and you wanted to cut out little pieces of your skins and apply it to your keychain. Let's see. Let's get an image on here. Let me see if I can find my sticker. Okay, so here's a sticker. This is in the kit as well. Whoops. The Valentine's Day kit. The stickers and the keychain. There's two keychains. This is one of them. I'm going to cut the sides so that'll fit right on there perfectly. All right, now I'm going to, this crystal behind there, I'm going to make this in that shape. So let's see. And it doesn't have to fit perfectly. It might fit this way maybe. There we go. So I'm not going to cut the sticker, but I'm going to cut under it, because they just cut really easy and perfectly. I'm sorry, didn't mean to get off screen. Okay, so there is that piece. I'll go up under there like that. And then, actually, I think I'm going to put that back under there and cut off that little section where the rose is. Or tulip, or whatever that flower is. I There we go. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so that goes there. Then I'm going to use some of this one right there for the little tulip bit there. I'm just going to cut out a little piece of this. So in just a minute, I'm going to put down the sticker. So you see where I'm going with this? Pretty. Okay. So I'm going to remove the backing with a strip of tape on my sticker. I just have two pieces of tape, one on the front, one on the back. Just pulled the backing off of there. I'm going to leave that on there, turn it over sticky side. So then this piece will be flipped now. I grab it and I'm going to put it on my sticker. And I'm going to do the same thing with, oops, darn it. This goes first. Like so. And then put that down on my Let me put that down on my keychain. Then I take that tape and roll it off gently. So then you have put your skins underneath that. Now, if you don't want to use a sticker or anything like that, obviously you don't have to. You can trace an image or draw an image or paint an image on there and then cut your skins out to fit your project. Now at this point you can take like an alcohol marker, Sharpie, stuff like that, and do your details. You can take a Posca pen, which is what I'm going to use. And color it on there and use my brush. and then have your details in it. That's quite beautiful. Now you can seal it with your resin or whatever sealer you choose, sealer of choice. You can also do this another way. Put your sticker down first and then cut out the pieces and put them in the sections. When you do that, I recommend using the same color that you used. If not, you can use some clear glue or something like that and just put a little on, cut out your section, and then apply it to your image. I think it's just cleaner doing it on the other underside of the sticky. Fun, quick, easy little fun project. And then, of course, it needs to be sealed. All right, that's it. Thanks, guys, for watching.